Hi guys, so forgive the croaky voice. Recovering from a week of COVID, and it's left my voice and my throat a little bit like Barry White. So good for call 0800 numbers, eh? I'm here at a pump track in Bedford, Mowbray Park. BMX course. It's not huge, but there's some nice little jumps and features for me to do a bit more practicing on. I'm getting used to sort of maybe understanding what it's like kind of doing some small jumps and, you know, getting a little bit of air, not, you know, huge, and trying to maintain where I'm keeping straight and balanced as I'm going over and landing. But there's a couple of that I've noticed where I kind of didn't quite do that, and I'm kind of turning a little bit in midair. I think that's because maybe I'm looking at the turn coming up, perhaps, I don't know, but I'm definitely getting better. And it's good to kind of, you know, again address my fear of pump tracks. But I'm really enjoying it. I'm really enjoying it. I've got a day off, so I thought I'd make the most of it. Nice little coffee in the morning, some breakfast, and then some playtime on the unicycle this afternoon. So yeah, it's a good fun little track. Wondering whether to go up to Royston as well after this. There's a big hill I wanted to sort of put on the apex, the Nosfit apex, and I'm wondering, there's a big hill there. I'd like to sort of take the top of that and maybe take the drone up. I don't know, depends. Again, we've got a weird sort of start to the summer at the moment. It's warm but windy. So we'll see. Yeah, it's I'm liking this sort of stuff as well. I can't wait for my aero to turn up, because I think the aero will be more playful and a bit more lighter to kind of, you know, get over jumps and stuff. That is, at the moment, as time of recording this, we're about the first week in June. It's about another 2 to 3 weeks ago, 2 to 3 weeks away, I believe, from E-Rides. If you do want to order from E-Rides or E-Scooter Clinic, for that matter, I've got links in my description below. Gives me a little bit of a kickback, and obviously gives you guys a bit of money off. Again, you know, it's something that they've kindly given me promotion codes to use, so you can get a bit of money off. So feel free to use those if you like. Like I said, it does help me in the channel, so that's much appreciated if you do use it. But yeah, I'm going to go around a few more times perhaps, and then maybe look for either another track or a ride somewhere.